working. Go ahead.
No, it's not. Look. It's making it worse.
No, it ain't. Now
It's
look
making
what it's
it-
doing.
Making it like spongy looking. Ooh, bitch. What's cracking, what's popping, and how y'all doing? If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're not new, you already know what's popping. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is just gonna be another vanity based video. Yeah, so I don't want to ramble too much. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, y'all, so this is my mirror. My sister got it from Walmart, I think for like $20 something. You can also use like a frameless mirror, but you know. So it's a Mainstays wall mirror. Y'all know the little Walmart mirrors, man. So what you're gonna need a mirror, of course, some paint, whatever color you want. I'm doing white because my desk is white. Some type of masking tape, some lights. My sister got these from Shein. Y'all can't see the sticker, but she got these from Shein. And she already opened them and, you know, tested them out. So they're very bright and everything. But the only thing with these lights, you need batteries for them. So, yeah. And then you're going to need a paintbrush and something to put your paint on. And this little sander thing. I'm going to put some, you don't have to do this, but I just want to be extra safe to make sure no paint gets on the actual mirror. So I'm going to put some, like, newspaper down, too, along with the tape. And it's a little bit ghetto, y'all, but the mirror gonna be cute. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Perfect, actually.
Okay. And I'm just gonna take the tape and wrap it around the edge. Done, we're just going to sand it down just a little bit, make it a little rough so the paint will actually stick.
Something that moves.
So now we're about to paint it. This paint, acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. Y'all can't see it, but yeah, this acrylic white paint from Dollar Tree. So hopefully it works good. So yeah, so I got my paintbrush. Don't nobody be in the comments talking about how dirty it is, cause let's get started.
Calico. Why?
I'm just gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go, sorry if y'all hear my dog, but I'm just gonna go in with the second coat after this dries for maybe about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So yeah.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks after 3 coats, and I'm honestly gonna do probably 1 or 2 more coats because there's some spots that's like spotty and I'm not really feeling it like over here. But overall, it does look pretty nice. So I'm just gonna do 1 more coat, 1 or 2 more coats, let that dry, and then we're gonna move on to adding the lights. Okay, y'all, so the mirror is all dry. So now we're about to apply the lights. Let's just take this off. Okay, got some dog hair on it. Now we're going to put our lights on. Like I said, these are the Vanity lights from Shein. I will link them down in the description box below. But they do have like adhesive on the back, so you could just stick them on. And it comes with the little battery pack.
It's 8 batteries.
Yeah, it's 8 batteries, and they're AA. Some good old batteries in Dollar Tree will work. Just finished putting the lights on, and as you can see, these little wires are sticking up. So what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna take the wires and like
Tuck them behind the mirror.
tuck them, and then put a piece of tape, or you can use like hot glue, put a little dab of hot glue and put the wire on there. But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go test it out. To hang this on the wall, I just have some command strips laying around, so I'm just gonna use these.
So then, why?
That is going to be the end of this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any other products or anything that I use in this video, feel free to comment down below. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you know when I post again. And that's it. That's all. So from one lavish beauty to another, keep it cute.